Lizzie back there. But we have a little thing here. It's about to become Sage's train yard because we have some Thomas and Friends trains and we can't really fit this thing in the camera. Okay, that's good. Well, it has a crane. Woohoo! Woohoo! It's just silly. Oh no, the camera's also going crazy. Well, we also have a box full of Thomas and Friends. So let me get that open. And then I'm going to show you guys all of the Thomas and Friends guys that are in here. The first guy we have is this guy. I don't know his name. But he's pretty cool. He's pretty cool. To let him on the tracks. I'm going to fall off. If it's not for him. Okay, let's just put him in the middle of the circle. Right back in the corner. And then let's see the next guy here. This is Toby. Toby number 7. Number 7, Toby. Number 7, Toby. Whoa, whoa. Okay, well, he's pretty cool. That's actually 7 is my age. But this guy's not 7. He's pretty cool. He's supposed to be a talking guy. But it doesn't seem like he works. Someone broke my Toby at a garage sale. Okay, I got this guy at a garage sale. He's still pretty cool. But it's Mr. Toby Face. Well, we'll put him down next to this guy. And I don't know his name in the corner. And the next guy we have is, we have Harold the Helicopter. Harold. We have Harold the Helicopter. He's pretty cool. Okay, enough of that. He also has, he's white and red, and he has a spinning propeller. Propeller spin! This one also spins. Very cute little spinner. Let's see, let's put him down right over here. Okay, he's all put down. There's a little glitch, but that's okay. We also have Victor. We have Victor when he first came to Sodor with the Thomas and Friends guys, and he was painted this color, and he speaks in Japanese. Well, he's pretty cool. I like this version of Victor. It's nice to have a new version of Victor. We'll put him right in the middle. Well, kind of in the middle. Almost in the middle. Could it count to almost be in the middle? Well, the next two pair we have is Annie and Clarabelle. Let's focus on who's this Annie. Okay. Let's show you guys Annie. Annie is pretty cool. This is the old style Annie. Pretty cool. A little coach. And she has a white roof, white wheels. She's pretty cool. We'll put her over here. And we also have Clarabelle. Clarabelle is the same as Annie, but just with a different face and a different name on the side. And she is pretty cool. Put you right in here. We'll put her right in there. There, you cannot even see one of them. Well, the next one we have is the Sodor Engine Wash. This is one of my favorite carts. Because I love the liquid inside. The liquid is just so awesome. This is just so cool. One of the coolest toys in the world. Ookie, 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 ookie. Cool. Woohoo! Woo! It's kind of like a monorail. monorail. Well, let's go to some more Annie's and Clarabelle's. Okay, let's do Clarabelle first. This is like that one, but it's just the newer version. Basically the same thing, but it's pretty cool. Just one bit cooler than the older version. But it's very cool. Little Annie and Clarabelle. Boo! Okay, so then the Annie is gonna be the same as the other one. So let's put both of them right on top of Victor. No, we'll put them up here where we can't even see them. Ah! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Everything had a catastrophe! This is just so terrifying. Okay, we're moving everyone. Just because of you two naughty guys, you guys are just so terrible. Well, after that terrible accident with these guys, we have finally have Thomas! Thomas from Thomas and Friends, the main character. Awesome! We finally found Thomas! Thomas! Everyone loves Thomas. Ookie. He doesn't have any wheels. Why is that? Look. Here's his wheels. His wheels spin. Whoa. He is number 1 blue engine. We'll put him right over here. Okay. Now, we also have a duplicate Thomas. Clone. How did he get into a scientist lab and clone himself? I don't know why. How he did that. But we also have Sir Handel, and he's pretty cool. Whoop. Ookie. Sir Handel is purple, like a purplish blue or something. Purplish blue. We'll call him purplish blue. And he is pretty cool. He's a narrow gauge engine. So we'll put him right behind Thomas where he could barely be seen because I'm not going to have room for everyone. But we also have this guy, number 10 truck. He's broken for some weird reason. You could barely see him rolling around. But I squeak! Well, he's pretty cool, even though he squeaks. Well, the next guy we have is the weirdest Percy. His funnel's broken off, and he's cool. He's pretty awesome. He has bubble soap on him. Who put bubble soap on him? I guess he just drove through the engine wash. Put him right over there. We also have Jet Engine, the Jet Engine. Whoa! There's fire in our face! Whoa! Okay, enough with that. But the Jet Engine's real awesome. Whoa! I like the Jet Engine a lot. Vroom! Jet Engine. Okay, let's have enough with that. Jet Engine, we can barely see him. We also have Rosie, a girl's, one of the girls' favorite characters. I like her a lot too. Lizzie back there likes her a lot. So when we're done showing her to you guys, back there, all of you fans of Sage's Universe, I love you all, and Lizzie does too. But here is Rosie. Rosie's awesome. I love the pink color on Rosie. She's so pink, and I love her. She's one of my favorite characters of Thomas and Friends. Pink little Rosie, and we're gonna put her right with Lizzie. Awesome. You can barely see Lizzie and her back there. You can mostly barely even see her. But the next characters we have is a two-guy thing. A two-engine. We have I forget their names, but it's a two-sided engine. They're very cool. Mighty and, wait, what's these guys' name? Mighty. This one's Mighty, but is this guy, I don't know what this guy's name is, but this guy's Mighty. Who's this guy? Comment down below who's this guy, but I know who this guy is. You don't need to comment down below him, but I need to comment down below him. Well, he's pretty cool. Put him down like that. Then, this call is for people who like the zoo. For fans of Sage's Universe who like the zoo and Thomas and Friends, we have a little monkey call. It says, zoo, monkeys, monkey print, monkey prints. They got their hands all over the car. I wonder how that happened. But there's monkeys, little monkeys are on there. Now we also have Snowy Thomas. Snowy Thomas has a snow plow, snow on top of him. Very cool. Boop, 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 boop. Let me move all this snow out of the way. Okay, perfect. And the next guy we have is Sydney. Sydney is pretty cool. Sydney is an awesome train. He's pretty old. He's an old Sydney. Sydney's old. Let's put him right near Lizzie's foot. Oh my god. Well, we also have a diesel car. Wait, is this a dog? I think there's a dog on there. Is that a dog? There's a Doge? Doge, is that you? No. But we have a little car with nothing inside of it. I thought there was something inside. Okay. The next car we have is the Sodor Timber Company car. The camera's going crazy. I was so excited I almost knocked the camera down. But look! Boo! Ha ha! Awesome! Sodor Timber. This guy's built. The Sodor Timber is where you could barely even see it. Well, the next one we have is a pretty big engine. Henry, the strong, mighty engine. So let's put him back over here. The Henry. Then the next guy we have is the Sodor caboose. Sodor Christmas caboose has snow on top, and it also has a little thing with Holly. Wow! Oh! I almost dropped the car and toy. I almost made the camera fall. But this is the Christmas caboose. Woo! Oh my god! I'm stacking trains. Trains. Oh my god! These guys fell. Okay, this time we're stacking Thomas's. Thomas's fall. Thomas's do. Thomas's sometimes flash. Like that. Okay, let's just leave them like that. Okay, my hand is a glitch now. We have his tender. Where is Gordon? What? I'm losing their names. Because these guys fell. These guys are magic and they're lost and they're making me lose my memories. Okay. We have James. We have James and his tender. Just put him right there, going all crazy. We also have Monty, the weird guy. He's kind of weird because he doesn't have his little jumper on. We also have a little boat. Little boat. Woo, woo. I know you guys might be thinking, what is his name? What is his name? Give me his name. Well, I don't know his name. Sorry. I don't know his name. There's a lot of engines here that I don't know the name of. Well, we also have Emily. Woo! Emily is one of the only girls in Thomas and Friends. Put Emily right over here. She's crashing. Her face is on the ground. I'm sorry to hear that, Emily. But we have, the next guy we have is James. I found James with Neville's tender. Okay, that's wrong. We have a duplicate James. Where is Neville? We need to find Neville. Neville, where are you? Sorry guys, I'm looking at a big box. So I'm trying to find him. Here's Neville. Neville the black engine. Cool. Neville's traveling on Annie and Clara. We also have regular Victor. Regular Victor is pretty cool. So we'll put him back here. So that's all the twins that I found. So, bye. And let's get Lizzie. And she knocked over a sailboat. But bye, little Lizzie Express. Lizzie.